So you want to know how to handle intentional interference like a boss? Stick around. Let's talk about it. Hey everybody, Tim here. Amateur radio call sign, November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot. By now, I'm sure if you've spent any time on the air, you've either heard intentional interference or you've experienced intentional interference while you're trying to use amateur radio. Now, why people do this, I do not know. I'm not sure if their mom dropped them on their head as a child, they just didn't get enough oxygen while they were in the womb, or didn't get enough attention as a grade schooler. But either way, there's really no reason to do this kind of stuff. It is just there to bother people. So how do you handle it like a boss? Well, just recently, my friend KB, K5KAB from Arlington, Texas, was live streaming, and while in the middle of the live stream, he started experiencing intentional interference. Now, what makes this especially egregious is that the person that was doing this was also slinging racial slurs at him. I'm going to show you some of the video here, and I do want to warn you that I had to blank out part of the word, but I've kept as much of the word in there so you can hear it and you can know exactly what that idiot said.
Enjoy it. Jeff, you going to watch any football this afternoon there, Roger?
Problem is I'm kind of under the weather and I had to kind of pull myself out here just to operate, so I'd like to, but I don't know if I'd enjoy it, so that's the problem here.
Roger, understood, man, understood. Well, I'll tell you what, listen, thank you for stopping through. Let me see, I got you in my logbook on, got you in my logbook on QRZ. It's our second contact, man. We contacted back in 21. Matter of fact, April of 21. So we're going to have to do better, man. We're going to have to do better. So we got 23 covered now. So have a great rest of the day. Thank you for stopping through. This is Kilo 5, Kilo Alpha Bravo. Send 73s for now, sir.
What's my report? And the other thing, I did look at your live stream, but there's kind of a latency there, so it's not, synced with the real time. Over.
Yeah, it's going to be about 15 seconds slow. It's about 15 seconds slow. And it's hard to listen to and operate at the same time because of the latency. So you have to watch it when it's all done. But there you go. I got you in there, man, and got you logged on. And you'll be able to hear your audio. It's kind of low. Mother Nature's not at her best today, but you'll definitely be able to. You'll see your QRZ page come across too. And if you like it, man, I would definitely appreciate you like it and subscribe to the channel. And that would be outstanding. Thank you, sir, for your time. And I got you about a 5.6 signal, 5.6, 5.7, real low audio signal. I think Mother Nature hadn't gotten just right just yet. Have a great rest of the day, sir, and we'll do it again sometime real soon. Great signal. Thank you. Roger. Have a great day. Thanks for stopping through. CQ20, this is Kilo 5, Kilo Alpha Bravo, K5KAB in Texas, calling CQ.
So as you can see here, KB handled it like a boss. Now I will put a link to his YouTube channel down below, and I'm also going to put a link to the video so you can see it in its full totality. And I think we should use KB as an example of how we should deal with intentional interference, especially when you're on the air. Don't give these people the oxygen. Just ignore them and move on and act like nothing's there. Eventually, they'll find their way over to 7.200. Now, what can we do as amateur radio operators about people like this? Well, the reality is I think, reporting them to the FCC is probably not going to get any traction. Everybody has a cell phone. Record it. Put it out on social media. Show the world what kind of an idiot that person is. So hopefully you got something out of this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button down below. Subscribe to the channel and share this content with your friend. And hopefully one day we'll catch you on the air.